Here we are. What do you make of this, Liv? This is a storm that blew through our area this morning. It's Tuesday.
Hi.
Hi, honey. It's September 23rd. Shall we show them around, Liv?
Yeah.
This was our backyard.
This is our backyard.
As you can see, there is a giant tree. What do you think of this mess, Olivia?
Yay!
Yay! It's fun, right? Daddy gets to come in from work.
It's these little toys.
What do you got there?
Little toys.
Little toys? I can't really focus in too well. Want to take a walk around, Olivia?
No.
No?
No.
You want to stay right where you are now?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, Daddy's going to take a walk around. I wish you would come with me and be my little news girl. Are you coming?
Yeah.
Yay! Great news. Hi, cutie pie.
This was our backyard.
It's our backyard, all right. Such
It
that
was
it is.
like fun.
I have the video camera can capture it better than this camera. It's hard to even, you know.
I know, it's just too enormous.
It's just too huge to even. I took a few pictures, but
Our house is behind that
yeah, that's
tree.
what I figured. I'm like, let's get a picture. There's where our house should be. There's Olivia. There's my baby. That's my little girl.
Unbelievable.
Hi, little pig. Luckily, no trees fell on you guys.
Yeah, how do these guys look? Any more trees fall back there? Hi, Petey. Woof, woof, woof. See, that tree got shredded. Must have been a tornado. You'll be hearing that sound for a couple days straight.
It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Look at the size of this.
I wish I saw this happen. This must have been awesome. This tree is immense.
It's humongous. What in the world? How?
I know. How much power does it take to blow a tree like this down?
It's huge. I mean, we saw a lot of trees down, but we didn't see any big dark trees.
There's more limbs down. I know, I agree.
I mean, there's lots of trees down, but this thing is humongous. Has to be at least 3 or 4 feet away.
See, our tree tore up on Donna and Butch's fence here. Looks like they got their fence bent back there also.
Yeah, they had a heck of a time. Look at the tree, and I guess is that Sophie next door? Our new doggy's name. Our dog will think, wow, what a weird place you live in. There's lots of trees out.
I know. Very wind damaged.
What?
Our little doggy will say, wow, cool trees in your yard. They're not usually on their side. Are we going to replace this tree? Or we're just going to have an open space?
That tree right there, right? That's just one. Can I hop over you? It's a lot easier now. It's a lot lower of a fence. Man, I smell some good cooking. Are you cooking? That smells great. Oh, really? Yeah? Oh, we just drove around. Wow, sorry about your yard. Sorry about your yard. Wow. Yeah, we got it pretty bad too. I'm like 2 doors down. Big tree. It's just unbelievable looking, Cat. This was a serious storm.
Daddy!
Yes, honey. What's that back there in the woods? Come here, Liv. What's that red thing back there?
What?
Come here.
What is it? An umbrella?
Is that our umbrella, hon?
Yeah.
Look at these trees down here.
That came from the pig pen.
Oh my goodness.
That flew into the woods from their pig pen over from the storm. Daddy, but come here. Come here.
This one,
I want to listen to this.
look at that, huh?
But Daddy,
Yeah,
there's
babe.
one thing I have to say. What is that sound?
That's chainsaw.
Oh,
You'll be hearing a lot of those.
see? Hey, I have a good idea. Let's see if we can hear an ocean in one of Donna's cells. Donna's cells. So let's see if we can hear some ocean.